Today I want to take a look at a brand that has the best image ads in my opinion. So if you're into clothing, if you're into selling, more with images, then this is the right video for you. So let's take a look at the ads and let's analyze them. So first of all, the brand is Vuori, and they are selling clothing and they're doing a fantastic job at that. They've basically only image ads in their whole ads library. And I want to go over these ads, explain to you what the theory behind them is, how you can kind of copy that for you, and how you can succeed with image ads as well. So let's start at the top. And first things I notice is, first of all, split screen stuff going on. Yeah, basically a lot of split screen stuff. Like this one in itself is a split screen ad, even though you don't really notice it. Then this one obviously is split screen, this one's split screen. And this one is a split screen, which seems to be working really, really well for them, right? By the way, I saved all of these ads. You can click the first link in the description. You get to this, you get to my dashboard, and you can basically get inspired by yourself. But let's take a look at these in a closer level. So what we have here is somebody wearing the shorts. Clementine 2.0. I don't like that headline. I think it's a bit weak, for somebody who's never heard of the brand before. But ultra lightweight, effortless movement brings over or conveys the value of like a luxury of something super expensive, right? And then they have all of the different pairs here, which makes it clear that they're selling this pair of shorts, right? Without these pairs right here, you wouldn't really know what they would sell. But because they have it in here, it's probably okay to have this headline. Even though Clementine 2.0 doesn't really tell me anything, I think something better would be, something along the lines of our new versions of short are even lighter for better movement, or 2.0 shorts even lighter, better movement, something along the lines of that, which would focus on the benefits, right? Let's take a look at the next one. This one is super clear. It makes it clear what they're selling, which is the shorts. You can see different combinations of the shorts, and they probably have the benefits which sell the most. Ultra lightweight, effortless movement. Let's take a look at the next one. Cruise board short. Here they make it clear what they are selling. Build better, your best piece to transition from water to life. One makes it clear that these ones are for being in the water, but also being outside of the water, which makes it like the perfect all-day wear product. And it'll, again, product in action. Then, basically product shots below, which makes you imagine the product in your head, right? Can I see myself wearing this? Boom, swipe up. If not, you're going to continue. Then the next one is also, again, split screen, realization mode. You can see basically they're selling the whole outfit. If you like any of these, you go swipe up, right? So let's go back to the dashboard and let's take a look at some other ads, which I really like. So I really like this one. Then I like this one, and I like this one, and this one. So what makes these so special? Let's first of all close this, and let's reopen this. So I like this because it's easy to read. It's clean. You have the product here, and then the fabric and fit is so comfortable. It's the perfect lightweight hoodie to throw on. You know what they're selling, and you have a very clear benefit statement. Fit, super comfortable, lightweight, boom. If you want a comfortable lightweight hoodie, you probably got to swipe up because it's so clean, it's so easy to understand. There's not much going on. There's not too much text. It's not too small. It's not too big, whatever, right? It's just boom, straight up to the point. Next one, understated and overly comfortable, right? If you're somebody who doesn't want much attention, just comfortable shorts, you're probably gonna get these, right? Understated, comfortable. Then you have the different colors, which again, make you swipe up if you like any of these. And then you have the benefits here. I think they are a little bit too small that you can't really read them, right? But it's a 4-way stretch. I don't know what that means. Moisture wicking, all right, I like that. And then recycle materials. So if I like that, I'm probably going to swipe up. And I think they could do a better job with the benefits, but obviously it's performing, right? Next one, the softest workout hoodie. They are calling out a specific persona, which you should do, the softest workout hoodie. This hoodie is not only for people who work out, this hoodie is for everybody. But because they're calling out a specific persona, this ad gets optimized for people who want to work out. And at the same time, it calls that specific persona out, right? So people who work out, if they want a soft workout hoodie, they're probably going to swipe up. So this could probably be changed, the softest work hoodie, the softest outer hoodie. Doesn't matter as long as you're calling somebody out, right? Same for this one. Probably it's super similar. Just having the benefits here probably helps with the conversions, getting conversions. Then what I like as well is, or are those, these review ads, right? Review ads, you can see how they have a different combination of images, right? They have basically, they have like lifestyle images, then they have split screen images, then they have images with more benefits on them, right? Then they have review images. So these are already 4 different kinds of images, right? So if you want to succeed with images, try different kinds of images and don't be stuck to one, right? They probably have some press images somewhere along the lines of here. I haven't seen them yet. But yeah, and you can see how different these ads look, even though they are for the same products over and over again, right? And they call out different personas as well. Our workout people, etc., people who like it comfortable, people who want to like it understated, etc. But let's take a look at these 2 lastly. So best shorts I've ever made, I basically live in them. It can't get better than this. I often see reviews ads where the reviews are like this long and nobody knows why somebody purchased the product. And this one, best shorts ever made. You at least want to take a glance at what made these shorts different. So you're probably going to swipe up, right? Next one, same approach, just different format, where I like, again, different colors, featuring different colors. I think they could make a better job right here at adding some more contrast, which makes the shorts pop out more. But overall, this one is a fantastic ad, right? So, if you are into ads, have different variety of ads, different variety of image ads, testimonial, benefit call out, lifestyle images. Those are just 3 types of images that you could try out right now. So if you don't have any images running right now, then I highly suggest that you give these ones a shot.